All right, I'm going to walk you guys through how to do a basics chamfer and fillet. So first, I'm going to go ahead and draw a rectangle here, just random, okay? First, I'll do the fillet. So we're going to go to fillet, and if you click on the drop down, you will see chamfer. So we're going to do fillet first. So first, I'm going to select the first object, and then down here, it's asking me for the radius. So I click on the radius here and I put in, let's say I want the radius to be, I don't remember what the measurement is for the rectangle, but let's say 3 units. And then after I do that, I hit enter. I click on the second line. You can see that that is now a curve with a radius of 3. All right. And then of course, again, in AutoCAD, if you hit the enter key, it will recall the last command you use, which in this case is fillet of 3. So I can do that, and you can see now I can continue with this for the whole size. All right, so that is that. Now there's one thing that you can also do here is if you click on fillet, you select your first object and then change your radius down to 0. That's right. Hit enter. I'm going to click on radius, make sure that it's 0, hit enter, and then now if I do that, it's undo that thing that you just did there. All right. So again, enter, and then that will recall the last thing you did. So that's a cool thing, huh? All right, the next thing you're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do chamfer here. I'm going to click on chamfer, and chamfer is basically in an angle or a distance. So I'm going to do a little angle here, and I want, let's say I want it to be a 40-degree chamfer. And then I'll click on my let's do the other way first. So chamfer here, and then let's do a distant chamfer. How's that? And I want a chamfer of 3 units again. So and 3 for the second one as well. So now I'm gonna go in 3 unit from that corner, 3 unit from that corner. Then I have that little chamfer. Again, I can go ahead and do a chamfer again, and then I can click on my distance here. I will change that to, let's say, 5, and then the second, let's say I want that to be 10. All right, so you can see the difference here. All right, so on that top, from this corner up is 5, from this corner in, that's 10. So you can do that based on that information, but you can also do it based on your angle, your trim method, or whatever you want to do. So in this methods here, so I want the length of the first one, let's say I want it to be 3, and then for the chamfer angle, I want the chamfer angle to be 40-degree. Then I can go ahead and select my first line, select my second, and then there's the angle chamfer. All right, so that is how you chamfer, and that's how you fillet. Okay, enjoy.